Dear friends, we were discussing about different levels of our process, our education process, that is character level and creative level. Actually, we are dealing with three C's. The first C is character level, second C is creative level, and third C is consciousness level. So, three aspects: character, creativity, and consciousness. So we have gone through character and creativity. Now we are going through the third level, that is consciousness level. So when we think of consciousness, there are two types of consciousness possible. One is false consciousness, and another is right consciousness. False consciousness is giving focus to division. We think that we belong to this caste, this religion, that religion. So when we give focus to all this division, then actually we are working with the false consciousness. See, the false consciousness make our life, limited, and we are not able to think about, think broadly about our life. So our perspective will be so limited, and what we need is a better perspective of life. That better perspective is possible when we have a right consciousness. So right consciousness is telling you that you are one with the whole universe. There is no difference between you and the universe. All are one. All human beings are one. There is no difference. We are all the children of God. So we cannot find any difference in any person based on religion, based on caste, based on nation, all that. We are all human beings and we are the children of the same God. When that consciousness comes, it is what we call the right consciousness. And we are promoted to right consciousness when we associate our time with the holy text. The word holy has come from the word whole, W-H-O-L-E, whole. That means holy text, Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita and all that talks about human being generally. There is no question of any caste, any religion, any nation, but we are all human beings. We are all children of God. So that process happens when we work with holy text. Let us associate our time with holy text, and also for a better clarity of vision, a clarity of perspective, what we need is meditation. Through meditation we get more clarity, and with that clarity we'll be able to look at things and human beings equally. There cannot be any difference in our thinking. So we work with an awareness, not with the mind, but with an awareness. So we develop our awareness through meditation. So meditation helps us, and also the reading of holy books helps us to improve our consciousness level. So we were dealing with three C's. The first C is character level, second C is creative level, and third C is consciousness level. So based on all these three levels, we are working with values also. So when we deal with the character level, the value here is manhood. And when we come to the other level, that is creative level, the value here is manpower. And when we come to consciousness level, the value here is divinity. So three values we have, that is manpower, manhood and divinity. So working with all these three values, we are thinking about value-based education. So with value-based education, we are developing ourselves in the case of character, creativity and consciousness. We develop our character, we develop our creativity and we develop our consciousness. So our development is total. Through total development, we can develop ourselves and all the world, and also the world. So I thank for enabling me to talk to you all this, and I thank all of you for listening me. We are now dealing with consciousness level, or we are dealing with right consciousness. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much.